Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. This is so funny. Welcome back to part 2 of my chit chat. Get ready with me. The other one was almost 30 minutes long, so I decided to make it a part 1 and part 2. That way you guys can take a break. You guys can come back and watch. You know what I'm saying? It took me forever to do my eyes, so I decided why not just do 2 different videos. And in this video I'm using for my eyes I used the It's My Rare palette plus Morphe, but for the rest of my face I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty products. Now I haven't used my Fenty Beauty products in a very long time, so this is going to be the first time. I'm going to get back to my eyes in a little bit, so I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer. I already I used lotion on my face beforehand because this foundation is very drying and I want my face to be okay, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want it to dry out my face, and it's winter time, so my face is already dry. I just wasn't taking chances. So I'm gonna make sure I get all of the moisture I can while doing this. But yeah, so I can't believe this month is flying by. It feels like it's gonna be over before I know it, and I'm just not ready. What's another thing that's been on my mind? Let's see. The power of putting your mind to something, because I realized that from the beginning of last year to the end of last year my mindset shifted, and it shifted for the greater, but it took me really saying like, yo, this is what I'm gonna do, and putting that into practice. Like, I feel like a lot of times we are stuck because we don't speak to ourselves and say like, yo, like this is what I want to do, and this is how I'm going to do it. Whether that is sorry, this foundation dries so fast, so I want to make sure I get it before it just dries on my skin like that. This is what I'm gonna do, and this is how I'm gonna do it. I started on this self-love, and I don't want to put quotation marks, but like self-love journey again, because I feel like that journey is just like a never-ending cycle over and over again, you know. I started last year because I was just not feeling too good about myself, and I was like, you know what, like, you're just gonna like yourself in all forms, whether you're not at the ideal weight you need to be, you don't have the hair you want, like, not that I cut my hair for a reason, and it was really for me and to prove a point. Like, appearance is great, but if I can't love myself with short hair everywhere, not just at home, but wearing that hair, my natural hair, to work and public places, then do I really love myself? Because if I can't accept myself in my truest form, what is left? You know what I'm saying? Like, what do I love? Do I love hiding my face? Do I love hiding who I am? Do I truly then still love myself? Because you can't have self-love and just not love yourself in your purest form. You don't have makeup on and you're just regular old Guye, you know? Like, I don't know. I cut my hair and I feel like it was the best thing I did, because of the craziness of like the random people hitting on me and stuff. It's just so different because they're not sure, like, do we like her with short hair? Do we not? And I don't care if somebody likes me with short hair or not, because I like me with short hair and I like me with long hair, and it's okay to have that preference. But for me, I wanted to really see, like, do people like me because of my appearance, or do people like me because I am me, and they're gonna respect me in all different shapes or forms. They're in all hairstyles, you know, or no hair. Like if I would have just went bald completely, you know, voluntarily, that is, would I still get the same respect? And even in my work environment, which is so funny, people either really admired my haircut or really didn't like it. And they would say certain things like, well, why'd you do that? I liked your hair like it was before. There's nothing wrong with it. Or what made you do the major cut? And I'm just like, to be honest, I was just tired of wigs. And I'm very honest at my workplace. I'm like, I was tired of wigs, and I was tired of my hair just being so nappy underneath. So I cut it. And I'm like, I really like short hair anyways. Like, I don't see anything wrong with it. And like I said, some liked it. Some preferred me with longer hair, but that's not for them to decide. Like, you're not my husband. You're not anyone who is of specific importance to me. Therefore, it doesn't matter whether you like it or not, because I like it and I like me, and that's it, you know. My parents loved it. My dad's like, you know, what matters is what's inside the head, not the outside. And I'm like, you right. My mom was like, why? Then she's like, but you look beautiful anyways. I'm the best mom. Like, she can ask you why you did something and then turn around and tell you that she loves it, and that's amazing to me. So for my foundation, I forgot, you guys, I use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 480. And yeah, I did a review on a lot of Fenty products before, when it first came out. And I also recently bought the uncensored red one. Love this one. And I'm gonna wear PMS today. I haven't worn it yet, you guys. The little Fenty symbol is still on there. So that's what I'm gonna do for my lips today. But yeah, so I cut my hair for a reason. Like I said, people don't like it. It's none of my business though. I don't know. I just don't care. I look more like a boy, but I'm like, that's my cute boy. And I'm using the It's My Ray Ray palette Brownie Bite, and this is her contour. And I'm just gonna give myself some definition. But yeah, what else? I like my hair short. Like, it's already growing back, you guys. The picture, I cut my hair when a month ago, and it's coming back. So yeah, I may or may not do a natural hair growth journey video. I don't know. I'm debating, because I like it like this. It's gonna grow longer, and I'm probably just gonna, like, once it like gets to here or whatever, geez, okay, my proportions are so off. Once it gets to here, I'm just gonna like keep getting it trimmed here a little by little, but I'm just not gonna let it get nappy again, because I really don't have time for that. And so I'm gonna use some highlight, and I'm gonna use the color French Toast. And I'm going to use the It's My Ray Ray brush to do that as well. But we'll see. I'll wear wigs. And just to let you guys know, I will always wear wigs on this platform, because it's just fun. But, like, that doesn't take away from my natural hair, you know? Let me be honest, I'm the worst person to put on highlight. Like, I just don't know. Maybe I'll smile and do it. And then I'm gonna blend it out because it looks a lot. I don't know. I just need highlight. We just don't know what to do with each other. I consider highlight that one guy friend you have that like you guys want to date but you're not sure, because it's like, if we date we're gonna ruin things, but if we don't it's gonna be a beautiful thing. And so you guys are like still close but like not that close because it's confusing. You don't want to catch feelings, you don't want to get hurt. That's how being highlighting is, you know what I'm saying? And then you like try it out and it's like, okay, maybe not, but we'll try it again next time. That's my relationship with highlight, y'all. So I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. Jet Black, what is this? Eyeliner. I'm like, what? Jet Black eyeliner. Ooh. And I'm still learning how to do that. But practice makes progress. I hope we are starting this new year off on a good foot. You guys definitely feel free to tell me what you guys want to see more of. If it's a chit chat, get ready with me, comment and be like, yo, not yo, but you know, like how everyone is saying, be like, we really enjoy your chit chats, like do more of those. Cause I feel like I can always find something to talk about. Always. I'm officially going back to DC this year in a few months. I'm going with this young lady whom I admire the heck out of, and I feel like she's just gonna be great. She's gonna do amazing things, and we're going to explore DC, all the touristy things, and like we want to go to the Holocaust Museum. I'm gonna take her back to the History Museum, African American one that I went to before, because remember in my vlog I didn't end up finishing it because I felt like crap and I was so hungry. So I learned a few things from my last trip, and that was to really pay attention. Like if I'm hungry this next time around, we're gonna eat before we go there. We're gonna make sure we have enough time to eat, we have enough time to explore, and we're not gonna be in there forever. And if we are, so what? Like, that's the whole thing about trips. Like, you're just supposed to enjoy it for what it is, and just be there and explore the culture and just really just immerse yourself in that. And so I mean I wouldn't mind either. For mascara, I'm gonna use this 24-hour extreme light curling lashes mascara. So there's this company that wanted to work with me on for one of the videos, and they sent me a lot of products. This company never ended up coming out with the rest of their line, so I still have like their eyeshadow, mascara. It's really awkward because I'm just like, that's so weird. And like, they were so eager for me to like do a review on it, and I mean the products are good, but it was just like, what happened to y'all? Y'all disappeared. I sent them numerous emails about like, okay, you know, they gave me a deadline about the video and kind of like what they wanted me to do as far as reviews and whatnot. So I had phone conversations with them, then they sent me, we would email back and forth, sent me the products, of course, and now I have them, and I'm just like, well, I'm gonna use them, I'm just not gonna announce them, because how awkward is that to announce products that never came out from a line. Ugh. But yeah, so I'm just like, you know what, it's cool, we don't have to talk about it. What else do I need on my face? I think I'm done. I feel like we need music for this, but we don't. Color PMS, and I'm so excited to use this. Ready? Actually, I'm gonna wipe off my I had Vaseline on because all lips are chapped from this cold weather. And let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Yes. I love this lip. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Rihanna, sis, I'm gonna speak this into existence. I'm gonna work with Rihanna someday. That's it. I don't know where, how, when, what, sis, but we are gonna work together because this is just, it's just too much. It's a little bit too much. I'm not gonna cry about it, but I think I'm gonna go back. You gonna take all my coins last year and this year. But to be honest, I like these lip products way better than the Galaxy collection. I bought the whole thing. I took back all the lipsticks and I just kept the eyeshadow palette, the brushes, and that was it. I was not really a big fan of the hologram color phenomenon, but these, Rihanna, I am here for it. I am here for it. So I'm going back, run my butt back there and get me the rest of these when I get paid next Friday. But yeah, that's it, you guys, for this chit chat. Get ready with me. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And if you guys haven't seen part 1, make sure you watch that first, then watch this one. I'm just here and I hope you guys enjoy me talking. I love you guys so much. Make sure you share these videos on your Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, and be like, I'm watching Guye B TV, you know? And yeah, so I kind of like being this close. Maybe I should have moved up. I'm gonna do that now. But yeah, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I used Fenty foundation, primer, lip gloss. Lipstick. I was gonna use the Moscow Mule highlighter Kilowatt, but I forgot that I had this beauty, so I'll use that next time. What is your guys' favorite Fenty beauty product? Let me know. Let me know if you guys are feeling this short hair. Let's just talk, you guys. Follow me on my other social media. I'm very active on Twitter. One thing that I did want to say, because I will be doing a lot more hours in school than I'm used to, as far as YouTube, it may or may not be all over the place, and I'm gonna start by recording multiple videos whenever I have days off, so that way you guys will have content throughout the month. But if I'm not as consistent, please forgive me. I want to make sure that I do graduate. That's important to me, and it's something that's important to me, and I hope you guys understand that and know that it is not because I don't want to be here. It's because I have obligations and education is first. So that's it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.